In previous video, I have given a brief introduction about basic problems or central problems of any economy. Here we will discuss in detail the problem that is related with what to produce. The problem what to produce is concerned with production of the problem of choice of production. This problem is concerned with the choice of production. Any economy has to decide that what type and what quantity of any production of different type of goods and services are to be produced in the economy. Okay, for example, here I have taken that whatever the resources which is given to the economy, that is in limited, and these limited resources are having alternative uses. These resources may be used in so many areas, like for a use 1, use 2, use 3, use 4 and so on. Here I am taking only two type of uses, use 1 and use 2. In that case, if the resources which is available for the economy can be used in two uses, use 1 and use 2, in that case the economy has to decide about different type of choices where the economy can use their resources. The choice 1, this choice is about the economy will choose any one combination, any one use, either for the use 1 or either for use 2. But in second choice, economy will decide to produce both type of goods, and economy has to distribute its resources for use 1 and for use 2 also. Okay. And in that case, the other problem the economy has to face, or other problem will be there, that is about to distribution of resources in what quantity for each use. That is called ratio of distribution of resources. Okay. Once again I am telling you that given their resources and technology, what goods and services the producer in economy would like to produce. Okay, what type of production would like to produce and how much quantity, that is the central problem related with what to produce. This problem arose because of limited resources, and resources are having alternative uses, and their allocation for different uses, like for use 1 and use 2. If the allocation to use 1 would mean that there is non-availability for use 2, or if the resources are distributed between use 1 and use 2, then the problem is to decide about the ratio of distribution. एक बार फिर से मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, what to produce का मतलब है कि इकोनॉमी को डिसाइड करना है किस चीज का प्रोडक्शन करना है. ओके, क्या टाइप प्रोड्यूस होगा और कितनी क्वांटिटी में प्रोड्यूस होगा. तो व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस हमारा किससे रिलेटेड है? सिलेक्शन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट टाइप क्या होगा, और टाइप जब सेलेक्ट हो जाता है तो उसके बाद कितनी क्वांटिटी में प्रोड्यूस होगा, दैट इज द बेसिक प्रॉब्लम. अब यहाँ मैंने आपको बताया कि ये प्रॉब्लम अरोज क्यों होती है, व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस प्रॉब्लम. द मेन रीजन ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम इज लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज, and I told you that resources are having alternative uses. Alternative use कहाँ पर हैं? For example, कोई भी एक resource है, उसको use 1 में हम ले सकते हैं और use 2 में ले सकते हैं. Example we can take that sugar can be used for making tea, or sugar can be used for making sweets. तो making for tea, that is use 1, and making for sweets, that is use 2 of sugar. तो यहाँ पर मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया है शुगर का. यू कैन टेक एनी अदर एग्जाम्पल एंड यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड दैट कंसेप्ट. ओके, यहाँ पर रिसोर्सेज जो है वो यूज 1 में और यूज 2 में हो रहे हैं. इसका ये दो यूज हमने लिया है. अब इकोनॉमी के सामने क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि इकोनॉमी को इसके जितने भी पॉसिबल इसके जो यूजेस हैं, इसका जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने का या इसको इस्तेमाल करने का जो तरीका है, उनमें से सेलेक्ट करना है कि किस चीज को हमें कहाँ पर रिसोर्सेज को कैसे यूज किया जाएगा. For example, if the economy will decide with the production of use 1 only, okay, in that case the resources will be distributed to use 1, and there is unavailability of resources for use 2, because economy में decide ही किया है कि वो use 1 में ही production करेगी. ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर सिर्फ इसी में रिसोर्सेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए जाएंगे, यूज टू में नहीं किए जाएंगे। और सेम इसका वाइस वर्सा है, इफ द इकोनॉमी विल गो थ्रू द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ यूज टू, इन दैट केस देयर विल बी अनअवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ रिसोर्सेस फॉर यूज वन। नेक्स्ट इज if the economy will select second choice. In second choice, economy will produce both type of goods, but here the another problem will arise. यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम क्या हो जाती है, जब दोनों चीज़ों को प्रोड्यूस करना है तो कौन सा गुड किस क्वांटिटी में प्रोड्यूस होगा, इनका रेशो क्या रहेगा प्रोडक्शन का। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर यूज 1 को ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस करना है और यूज 2 के लिए कम प्रोडक्शन करना है, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर जिसका प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा होगा ऑब्वियसली इट रिक्वायर्स मोर रिसोर्सेज, तो यहाँ पर रिसोर्सेज का एलोकेशन भी ज़्यादा होगा बजाय यूज 2 के। ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस। और यहाँ पर मेन हमारा जो है जो प्रॉब्लम है इसका सल्यूशन, या इसके अंदर जो प्रॉब्लम आती है हमारी, जो हमें चूज करना है क्या है, चॉइस 1 या चॉइस 2 कि आप रिसोर्सेज को कहाँ कहाँ पर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करोगे, कौन कौन से यूजेस में करोगे, और अगर दोनों में कर रहे हो तो उनका रेशो ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या रहेगा। After discussing what to produce, the next problem is about second basic problem or second central problem is how to produce. The problem how to produce is related with the selection of technique, selection of technology in the process of production. Okay, this problem is related with selection of technique, and first I would like to explain the type of techniques which can be used in the process of production. So there are two type of techniques. First one is labor intensive technique, second one is capital intensive technique. Before explaining this problem, I would like to explain both these types of techniques, or the difference in between two type of techniques for the production. First, labor intensive. As we can know from the name of this type of technique, it is labor intensive. It means this technology is labor absorptive technology, as in this technique more labor is to be used. As more laborers are to be used in this technique, so that this technique is generally, this technique is known as employment generating technique, and it generates more and more employment. Other one, but having more employment rate in this type of technique, there is a drawback of this technique, that is low efficiency. This technique is with less efficiency, as the man-made product, the production is using laborers or using the man force, so the quality of the product is not good, and the production is also very low, and this problem is time consuming also. Okay, and after explaining these contents, in labor intensive, capital intensive technique is just opposite of the labor intensive. In this type of technique, less laborers are to be used. As less laborers are using in this technique, so this technique generates less employment and having less rate of employment generation. But there is a positive effect of this technique, and that effect is this the products from producing this technique, these are of high quality, good quality, a very good quality of production are there, and it is a technique which is high in efficiency, high rate of production is there, and the good quality will be there, and other than the time consumption or the time taken for the production, it is also very less. So we can compare both these technologies, both these techniques with the help of these few points, and in next video I will explain the selection of type of technology, the selection of technique in detail.